To be completely honest, I have to start at the beginning. I saw this bright red and yellow ad for triple cheese lava sausages, and my brain immediately went, spicy! I mean, let's be real, the word lava combined with a bright red background is a universal signal to prepare your taste buds for a fire. So naturally, we ran to 7-Eleven to get them. Spoiler alert. They were definitely not spicy at all.
Spicy lava. Triple spicy, triple cheese lava.
How's it? How's it?
Normal. I thought this is spicy. Lava.
Lava cheese not spicy. Who teach you lava cheese is spicy?
I don't know.
How can you thought that?
I think I see it's all the spicy, no?
How can you thought that cheese lava is spicy?
It's okay.
Where is the meat?
7-Eleven toast. The meat is here.
Salted. Normal.
Mozzarella parmesan cheddar. Triple cheese.